In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Samsung Galaxy phone as flashlight. Literally all Android devices has the flashlight just like this. However, Samsung flashlight has a unique feature you cannot find on any other Android devices. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly use this Samsung flashlight on your phone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the Samsung flashlight is on the notification center. So if the app is not here, tap on this edit button. Then click on edit under full. There you go. So we suppose the flashlight is not available here. Then you need to come to available buttons and search for the flashlight application. Then either tap on it or drag and drop. Just tap on it. It will be added to the notification center. Then tap on the done button. Once you hit the done button, then come back to your screen. Swipe the notification tray just like this. And press and hold the flashlight app. Once you press and hold the flashlight app, you see a pop-up that says touch. Under touch, you can just turn on touch like this, and this will turn on the Samsung Galaxy phone touch. However, by default, the brightness is set to somewhere around here. Then you can use this slider to increase the Samsung Galaxy phone touch light. As you increase the slider, the touch light increases. So you can see the flashlight is increases. However, the camera light may cause low temperature burn when it's prolonged contact with the skin. Avoid leaving touch turned on for an extended period. So with this, you can increase the brightness of your Samsung phone flashlight. So if you find this interesting, you want to hit like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.